Very good morning to all of you. From today, we are starting a new session. And before we start the syllabus of 4th class in mathematics, first we will revise what we have learned in 3rd class. In 3rd class, you have learned counting, number names, expanded form, face value, place value, and so on. So, first we'll revise it. All of you know countings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and it goes on to infinite. Now, the numbers from 1, the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are called natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are natural numbers, or we call them counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. The numbers from 1 and they goes on, they are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. What are they called? Counting numbers also. We can call them, they are also known as counting numbers. Counting numbers. Now, another type of number, when we add 0, in the natural numbers, they become a set of whole numbers. Whole numbers, what are whole numbers? First is natural numbers, second is whole numbers. When we add 0 to natural numbers, they become the whole numbers. Means whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and they etc. So natural number starts from 1 and the whole number starts from 0. Natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. What are they called? Counting numbers also. All of you have learnt in 3rd class this natural numbers and counting numbers, right? Next. Now all of you know what are 1-digit numbers. The numbers starting from 0 to 9, they are called 1-digit number. What are the numbers starting from 0 to 9? They have only 1 digit, so they are known as 1-digit number. 1-digit number means the smallest 1-digit number is 0 and the largest 1-digit number is 9, because the 1-digit number starts from 0 and ends at 9. So the smallest 1-digit number is 0 and the biggest or the largest 1-digit number is 9. If we add 1 to the biggest 1-digit number, what we get? If we add 1 to the biggest 1-digit number, what do we get? We get 10. That means 10 is the smallest 2-digit number, right? From 10 to 99. From 10 to 99, they are 2 digits number. What are they called? They are called 2-digit number. Next, if we add 1 to 99, what do we get? We get the 3-digit number, means 100. What do we get? 100. So from 100 to 999, they are known as 3-digit number. Means the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the biggest 3-digit number is 999. They are called 3-digit number. Next is, if we add 1 to 999, what do we get? We get 1000. What do we get? 1 and 3 zeros. This means we get 1000. This is the smallest 4-digit number, right? It is called the smallest 4-digit number. And from 1000 to 9999, when we count from 1000 to 999, they are known as the 4-digit number. What are they called? They are called 4-digit number. This means the smallest 1-digit number is 0, the biggest 1-digit number is 9, the smallest 2-digit number is 10, the biggest 2-digit number is 99, the smallest 3-digit number is 100, the biggest or the largest 3-digit number is 999. Now, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the biggest 4-digit number is 9999. In third class, you have learned till here. Now, in fourth class, we will learn the numbers beyond 4 digits. Means we will learn about 5 digits and 6-digit numbers. So, these are the smallest and these are the biggest or the largest, we say biggest. Clear? Smallest 1 digit 0, smallest 2 digit 10, smallest 3 digit 100, smallest 4 digit number is 1000. Biggest 1 digit number is 9, biggest 2 digit number is 99, biggest 3 digit number is 999 and the biggest 4 digit number is 9999, right? Now, in third class you have learned this. So, we will revise how to write in words, how to write in number name and how to write in numerals or figures, right? For example, I take a number 2435, right? I take a number 2435, right? Now, all of you know how to make an abacus. You have learned to make an abacus, and abacus helps in writing the numbers in words, in figures, in expanded form very easily. So, I'll make an abacus first of all. Now, always remember how many digits are there? 4 digits, and 4-digit number are till what? 1000. And all of you know the places also, right? So, we'll start writing the places from the ones place. Which is the ones place in the? Always start writing the places from the right hand side and go to the left hand side. So, what is the first place? 5 is written on ones place. 3 is written on which place? Tens place, right. 4 is written on which place? It is written on 100 place. 2 is written on which place? It is written on 1000 place, right. So, there are 4-digit number. So, on the abacus also, how many spikes we have to make? We have to make 4 spikes. 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? These are the 4. Now, we mark the places on that. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place and this is 1000 place, right? So, how many beads we have to make on ones place? what is the digit given? 5. So we'll mark the number here 5. So how many beads we have to make? We have to make 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? Next one, on the tens place, what is the digit given? 3. So means how many beads we have to make? We have to make 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. On the hundred place, what is the digit written? 4. So we'll mention 4 in the abacus and we'll make 4 beads. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now on the thousand place, what is the digit written? 2. So how many beads we have to make? We have to make 2 beads. 1, 2. Right? So now you can see that in thousand place what is written? 2. On hundred place what is written? 4. In the tens place 3 is written and ones place 5 is written. So how do we speak this number? When we have to write this number into English language, that is called writing in words or writing the number name. So how can we write this in number name? Right? What is the number on thousand place? So 2. So what we will write? 2000. What we will write? 2000. What is written on 100 place? 4. That means 400. 400. What is written on the tens place? 3. Right? This means what is on the tens place? That means 30. This means 30. And how many on ones place? 5. So what is the answer? 2435. 35. When we write in English, this is called the number name, or we call it writing in words. We can call it number name. This is called number name. Or we can call it write in words also. Words. This is called writing in words or writing the number name. Right? Now, if the number name is given, how to write in numerals? If the number name is given, how to write in numerals or how to write in figures? Figures means writing the number, exact digit what is given on the places. So it is given in words or in number name. First write the places and then arrange the number on the places. 3000 means on 3 will be written on 1000 place. 600, that means 6 will be written on 100 place. 70, it is given 70, that means 7 tens, right? So 7 will be written on tens place and 0 will be written on ones place. So it becomes how to put the commas and write it, because all of you know that ones period have 3 places, ones, tens and 100, right? And 1000 place have 2. We will learn more. So before 3, after 3000 we will put a comma and it will be written 3670. We will count the places ones, tens and 100 and we will put the comma and then we will write 3, because ones period have 3 places. So they will group in one place and then we'll put a comma and we'll write the 1000 place. Clear? All of you understood how to write the number name and how to write in numerals or figures. Now to write this number in expanded form, right? So on 2, what is the place given? 2000. So how do we write 2000? We write 2000 like this, 2 and 3 zeros, right? Then 4 is on which place? It is on 100 place. So what do we write? 400 means 4 and 2 zeros. Clear? Then 9 is on tens place. So how we will write 9? 9 times 10 is 90. Means 9 multiplied by 0. Then 8 is on which place? Ones place. 8 ones are 8 only. 8 ones are 8 only. So 2 is written on 1000 place. So we have expanded this number. This have become 2000. 4 is on 100 place. So we have expanded this number and written 400. 9 have been written on tens place. We have expanded this number and we got 90. 8, it is on ones place. 8 ones are 8 only. So now how we have to put a addition sign between them. So this is called the expanded form. What is called? It is called the expanded form. And again, if we have to write this expanded form into short form, or we call it standard form also. So how to write this in short form? That means 2000, right? We will write the places ones, tens, 100 and 1000, right? 2 is written on which place? 2 is 1000. So we'll write 2. 4 on 100 place, 9 on tens place and 8 on ones place. So this have been expanded form is again converted into short form, or we call it a standard form also. Means we have to add all these numbers. If we add, suppose I show you, if we add all these numbers 2000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 8, if we add all these numbers, we'll get the short form or not? Yes or not? Because if we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. 8 plus 0 is 8 only, 9 plus 0 is 9 only, 4 plus 0 is 4 only and 2. So expanded form means to enlarge it and short form means standard form or to reduce, to shrink it, right? So this is called the expanded and the short form. Clear everyone? Next,